This is at room 0121. 0 is the floor. We came in a little bit early, so we saw the young lady mopping, and it's still a little wet, but fairly safe. This is a standard room. Let's see what's in here. They have a separate toilet. Let's see. Mirror right there, looking good. Another mirror. Oh, double sink. This is on the first floor. And they got the towels in here. No tub, just a shower head and handheld. They got nice mirrors. They have I believe this is called a makeup one. Oh, they have a tub. Forgot you could put some Epsom salt. Oh, and the classic bottles that they always include. Pre and post COVID. So they put these back up. Remember, these are watered down. All right, guys, they are watered down. Talking about water, hydrate. Okay, guys, hydrate. Speak from experience. Let's see if they got the standard 4 beers over here. Oh, the wrong way. Oh, they gave us 6 beers. All right, I'm gonna close that one in a few seconds. The floor's still wet. It's a nice TV. I don't think it's a smart TV where you could see YouTube or something. You know my videos. Standard king bed. We got the side, not the courtyard or beach. 2-seater right there. Another 2-seater table there. That's nice decor. Here the gentleman said that when we checked in that they only have these rooms. But we're gonna try to get an upgrade. Sorry for this pause right here. We're gonna try to... Oh, this thing is hard. Okay, I think I'm the one who shut it. There, okay. Let's see if it opens. There we go. Sorry. Hope you didn't X out of the video. Oh, nice wooden floor over here. And this, oh shoot, you could see the ocean from here. Since there's a free land, I'll call it empty lot, a big empty lot, maybe in a few years will be a resort. So if you get the one on the right, a room on the right, you'll have the whole view. It's a very nice view. And this is the lower rate. I was concerned about having someone jumping over the barricade here, but I think 0 is okay because it's very high. I don't think anyone's gonna jump over here. So there's the infamous landmark that they could say. And then the resort over there. But if you get one on the right side, you'll have the whole view. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't.